Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the wisdom of ancient teachings to enlighten your modern life. Today we're exploring a profound topic through the lens of Buddhism, recognizing the signs of a fake friend. Whether you're on a spiritual path or just looking to cultivate deeper, more genuine relationships, understanding these signs can transform your social landscape. Let's get started. Sign 1. Persistent confusion. Have you ever felt perplexed by a friend's inconsistent behavior? This confusion can be a red flag. Buddhism teaches that clarity of mind is essential, and a friendship filled with uncertainty can hinder your spiritual journey. Sign 2. Manifestations of envy. Jealousy disrupts the harmony of genuine friendship. A fake friend might feel threatened by your successes, which can manifest as subtle digs or overt competitiveness. Sign 3. Ignoring your emotions. If your emotions are often minimized or ignored, it's a sign that the foundational empathy and respect of the relationship are missing. Sign 4. Lopsided effort. Does it seem like you're giving more than you're receiving? Such imbalance can drain you, leaving you feeling unappreciated and overlooked. Sign 5. Feeling inferior after meetings. True friends should uplift you, not leave you doubting your self-worth. Sign 6. Negative reactions to boundaries. Healthy boundaries are crucial in any relationship. A genuine friend respects your boundaries. If someone reacts negatively when you say no, it indicates a lack of respect. Sign 7. Convenience contact. Friendship should not be transactional. When a friend only reaches out when they need something from you, the relationship may be superficial. Sign 8. Absent in hard times. A true friend stands by you even in your darkest hours. Absence in such times reveals a lack of genuine connection. Sign 9. Harsh criticism. Constructive criticism can foster growth, but if the criticism feels demeaning, it's harmful, not helpful. Sign 10. Competitive nature. In a healthy friendship, joys and successes are shared, not seen as grounds for competition. Sign 11. Public belittlement. Bullying, even if subtle, is a sign of a toxic friendship. If a friend picks on you or puts you down in front of others, it's indicative of bullying behavior and not true friendship. Sign 12. Secrets spilled. Betrayal and gossip can irreparably damage trust, a cornerstone of any strong relationship. When a friend talks about you behind your back or shares your secrets, it's a breach of trust and a sign of disrespect. Sign 13. Manipulation using secrets. Exploiting your vulnerabilities or using your secrets against you is a profound betrayal of trust. Sign 14. Self-centered conversations. A conversation is a two-way street. Being perpetually sidelined is not friendship. Sign 15. Easy exit during disputes. Avoidance of conflict resolution shows a lack of commitment to the relationship. In conclusion, the wisdom of Gautama Buddha reminds us that an insincere and evil friend is more to be feared than a wild beast. A wild beast may wound your body, but an evil friend will wound your mind. By recognizing these signs, we can choose to cultivate friendships that truly enrich our lives and foster our spiritual growth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it resonated with you. May your journey be filled with genuine connections.